So this room that we're sitting in was 100% different. We got everything knocked down to the studs, and I had no idea how this kitchen layout was gonna look. Floors, cabinets, countertops, you name it, it had to be done. I went to the Home Collective. The staff were amazing to work with. Nate came in and he gave me ideas on what to do and how to make this kitchen function. They helped me pick things out, and it turned out absolutely beautiful, and I couldn't be happier with Home Collective. They make it so easy. Their prices are reasonable, their materials and their products are fantastic, their staff is amazing, and this is what we came up with, and I'm beyond happy about it. If you're thinking of doing any projects, definitely call the Home Collective. They're knowledgeable, they have great prices, and they are so fun to work with.